develop curricula and curricular support material and drama festivals. We have radio and TV programs. So all those are aspects for us.
You know, countrywide we have indeed a shortage of infrastructure in a number of schools. What we've done as SEPU, we have zero rated. We have reduced the price for these kits. If we're giving it at 95,000 shillings, and we're sure that schools or head teachers can be able to access this. And we're also advising that one of the ways to be able to secure funds is to go through the CDF.
That when a child is being told you cannot be able to leave for lunch, then the child has to now sit the afternoon paper hungry, and to be able to ensure that we do what needs to be done. This program has started today. As I was getting in, I'm informed that we are doing close to 11,000 students on a daily basis, a proper meal together with water and all, and this will continue until the exams get finished, with the hope that these small things can be able to add up to the big things that we have hopes for these young people.